What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and chances are you're here because you are in the world of internet marketing and make money online, and you are interested in improving your affiliate marketing business, which I can help you with today. I'm going to give you 2 amazing tips that are going to help increase conversions and sales in your business, because chances are there may be a problem with the traffic you're getting and also the conversions and sales with your email list. Like you're building up your email list, but people aren't necessarily buying. So before I get into that, I just want to say, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for daily videos and content just like this one. And also, the tips I'm giving you can help your business really flourish, because as you can see right now, there's no super proof, but I am in Bali, Indonesia, and I've been traveling the world full time now for over 4 months, using my smartphone and a laptop and an internet connection, and that is it. And I'm able to sustain and maintain my business doing affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and generate just simply by generating leads and having products to offer and promote and selling them and making a commission off of it. That's just one of my income streams, but that's primarily why you're here on this video, is because you want to learn about improving your affiliate marketing business, okay, and how you can easily generate $100 a day from just doing these 2 simple tricks. So let me tell you guys, just one thing that I realized the other day. I was working in my engineering job. My take home was I don't know, my gross monthly income was $5,000 a month, but my gross was hideous. It was only $3,200 because I was single and getting taxed so much. So when you look at how much I was actually making that and dividing that by 30 days in a month, that was $100 and something a day. I think it was $110 a day I was making. You can easily make $110 a day online. Just think about what that could do for you and how that could literally replace your 9 to 5 if you got good at making $110 a day. So anyways, let's get into the 2 main tips. So the first thing you want to do is build your YouTube channel if you are not already on YouTube. If you don't, you will regret it, and you're slowing progress down to your business, because that is one huge traffic source that people haven't tapped into yet. There's a lot of competition in the affiliate marketing space, but that's a good thing, because people are that means it's a strong market and people are selling and making sales, and will forever, as long as YouTube exists, which I don't think it's going anywhere in my lifetime. It'll forever be making sales, and you need to start building up your YouTube no matter what, building your brand on YouTube, because if you're one of those who thinks it's too late, there's already 1 million people on YouTube and 1 million people that have huge followings and audiences, and it's going to take me forever. That is a terrible mindset to have, and that is completely not what you... Sorry, I might get interrupted by bugs or other kind of critters here. Yeah, or scooters or something like that. But anyways, okay, so you want to build your YouTube channel. So if you're in this space, this affiliate marketing space, make money online, whatever it is, take a look at my channel and you'll see that all my videos pertain to one niche only, and that is make money online. I help people with wealth and building an income and building a second side hustle stream of income and into a full-time income like myself. So you want to take a look at my channel and see how it's all the topics are related to one niche, and that is how I'm able to grow my channel faster than I ever have before. I mean, as of today, my channel is considered small. I have not hit my first 100 subscribers yet. However, within the past couple months, my channel has grown like crazy because I'm posting every day. So I'm up to over 10 subscribers per day, and that's with being consistent and sticking to one niche, and one niche that is profitable. So what I mean by profitable is the niche that you want to be in. If you are in a different niche and make money online, you have to have products that are proven to bring profit to people, okay, to profit to affiliates. So that's tip number one, is to grow your YouTube channel if you haven't already, or start your channel if you haven't already. Grow it like crazy. Be consistent. Post every day content related to your niche. Even if you think it's stupid, I promise you somebody is going to get value from your video, okay? The other thing, number two, is email marketing, okay? People are getting leads, people are driving traffic, people are building their email lists, but the crazy part is they're not monetizing because they're making the simple mistake of sending people to their offer all the time and constantly trying to sell to their list. So what you have to do as an affiliate marketer is you have to build that relationship with your list. You can't just send them, buy this every day, 50% off on this. Oh, look what I have here. It's going to make you $1 million in 7 months. Like, no, people are going to hate that and are going to click the unsubscribe time and time again. So what you have to do, for example, I'm going to email my list later on today about my adventures as a minimalist and a digital nomad, because that's what I am. I'm a minimalist. I live out of one suitcase with my backpack and my purse, and I'm also a digital nomad. So a digital nomad means it's someone who travels the world and works online, remote, from anywhere with an internet connection, and at the drop of a dime can move anywhere they want. So that is what I want to show to people, and it's not selling a damn thing. It's just emailing people my story, and I'm showing them, and I'm driving them back to my YouTube channel. So I'm sending traffic to my YouTube channel and vice versa, building a relationship and building that trust with people so that people like me and get to know me. And you could do the exact same thing. So your YouTube channel has dual purposes. So, even if, like, let's say you have a big following on Instagram or Facebook or whatever other platform that you have to also complement that with your YouTube channel, because just for the sole purpose of email marketing, you can make videos daily that just give tips and whatever else, and you're not selling anything, and you'll have something every single day to send to people, and they don't have to opt into a list, to another one of your lists. They just have to simply sit there and get back the value, okay? So I hope this helped you guys. So again, what we went over today was, one, creating that new traffic source, or building up that traffic source if you already have a channel with YouTube. So one, YouTube traffic. Two, building a relationship, a real relationship with your email marketing list. And if you feel overwhelmed, don't feel overwhelmed. Start with once a week. If you can do this once a week and then bump it up to 3 times, 4 times a week, then do that. Start small, okay? So start a channel, start posting videos, and start using those videos to cross-drive traffic between your list and your channel. So if you like this video at all, please give it a thumbs up. If you're like, dude, this was whack, whatever, give it a thumbs down. That's fine. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you haven't, what the heck, why not? Check out the resources in the links to the description below. I have some affiliate marketing resources in there. My #1 recommended affiliate marketing program in the description, and if you were to invest in that program, or even Kartra, the sales funnel builder that I use for my email marketing, my sales funnels, my membership sites, there's a $1 trial on that. So if you were to invest in either one of those programs, which is super cheap, it's like less than $50 $50, and I mean, college is what, $1 to try out for 2 weeks. So if you were to invest in either one of those programs, you get access to my Limitless Freedom Academy course for free, which eventually I will be charging at least $1,000 for, so you guys can see the value. But yeah, if you do email it or purchase any one of the products in the description, just shoot me an email. I have all my email in the description, and I'll give you access to that for free. So again, guys, it's been great. You guys can do this, build a relationship with your email list, and you guys will start to see the sales go crazy. You'll be able to make that $110 a day and say goodbye to your 9 to 5. All right, talk to you later. Bye.